Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas. Finishing up a 2006 Carrera 4S. Everything is on but the front bumper. Just to give you a little glimpse before it all goes back together. All that's wrapped around, nice and clean. This is how I do all my installs. Just like the 19 Porsche sitting outside and the 14 sitting there. The two Teslas, full fronts, and some other sections, all done, ready to go. Here's the hood, all wrapped around, no lines. So if that's what you're looking for, that's great. We can help you. Let me show you this roof panel. So for example, on this older car, you look at the roof panel on an 06 like this Carrera. The panel is in there, but it's just, they don't fit properly. For example, you can see where my film's over here. So I'm gonna run that right up under this rubber. Just like here, I've already took care of this, so it's all nice and perfect. It runs right into that edge. Okay, so I don't like leaving big gaps out here. I like to do it so just like this A-pillar that's done. I want that to look as if nothing's there. The film is down in here and it rolls up under this rubber the whole way through. And that's how it is down below here. The film, I don't have to take this rubber out. I've got the edge right all the way up under here. So, and it wraps right into the door. That will show you here. You'll see right here, there's the edge. So when I come inside that door, there's the termination. This is just a factory piece of whatever, I don't know what it is. But anyway, here's the back side. I'm just getting ready to come around, take care of that when I stretch it, so I get it to fit that tight. Just like putting the skin over the car, so I get that nice, tight look, no marks in the film. Backs are done. Everything nice and wrapped in on these tail light areas. Bumper, everything rolled in along here. Same thing on this side. Everything rolled in. I'm gonna come around over here and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And that's it. So I just wanted to show you how I do this roof pan on this 06 Carrera 4S, sorry. Getting late here, it's like 9 o'clock. And then here's the gas cap getting ready to be wrapped in. So that's my overage. Fenders are all done, doors are all done, all wrapped in. So there you go, this guy, he'll pick it up. He brought it to me because it looks like nothing's on the car. And that's what we want, that's our goal every time. And if that's what you're looking for, give me a call. Ask for Brent, clearbrooknorthdallas.com, direct cell 940-703-8301. There you go, folks. Thanks for watching Clearbrook North Dallas on YouTube.